Hi, my adorables. It's so good to see you in 2025. It's been a while. I've been so busy. Make una no vex for una sister. Una know as they go now. Na busy thing, so I just squeeze that time now. Say make I quickly do this video. Say it don't take small. All right, let's get started. As you can see, I've already done my turban base. Yes, please, for this tutorial, you can do any turban base of your choice, so that we'll not waste time. I know a lot of us knows how to do our turban base. I've already done my turban base. So for the loop, I've cut out my measurements for everything I'll be using. So for the loop that we're going to be putting on top, I have cut out the measurement for the loop, and it measures 29 inches by 8. That is the that is what we're going to be using to wrap the foam. 29 inches by 8. We'll cut 2 pieces. Yes. Then the foam measures 3 inches by 28. 3 inches by 28. We'll also be needing 2 pieces of that. So cut out 2 pieces of 3 inches by 28. We'll set that aside. Then for the handle for the loop, you know I've already done my base. This is handle for the loop. It measures 12 inches by 6. We'll also be needing 2 pieces. We'll set that aside. Then the last but not the least, this is the strands we'll be using for our roses. Then this one also measures 4 inches width by 40. 4 inches width by 40, and I'll be needing just 5, but I cut 6 here, but eventually I ended up using just 5. So let's get started. So for the roses, we'll fold it like this. My video is self-explanatory. Just follow it, you understand it. Fold it into 2 equal parts like this. Then fold it again. Fold it again like this. We are just going to be making a curve from that point. Just watch what I'm doing. We are going to be making a curve just at both ends. So I'm cutting it together. If you can cut your work, it's better to cut it together so that it will be equal. So as you can see, I've curved it. So we'll do this process for the whole 5. Then we'll turn it to the right side. We'll turn it to the right side like this. Then on 1/4 inch, we are going to be sewing on our taking to our sewing machine. We are going to be using gather stitch, not the tight one, or gather stitch, because we are going to be dragging it. Then when you do that, ensure that you have excess thread at both ends that you use to drag your gathers. So for our loop, I have done this particular tutorial in one of my videos. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Just sew it like that and sew it down. Top stitch it on one end and sew it down. After that, put your foam on it and also sew on 1/4 inch like that. Just on that end, don't close the other end. You do that for the other one too. So I'm going to be using this one as an example to show you again. I have done that. You can see I've attached my foam to it. So what we are going to be doing here is to turn it out. Turn it out. We'll be turning this out with the help of our scissors, and we have to be very careful, because foam is so fragile and light. We don't want to struggle with it, and we don't want it to rip apart. So you use your scissors to just turn it out like this. So drag it out at one end and begin to gradually and carefully drag it and cover it up. Kind of just do that carefully, please, so that your foam will not cut into 2, and ensure that the sewn part is on the edge on one side. As you can see, I've done the 2 here. Cut out the excess foam. So the next thing we are going to be doing is that I told you about this roses that we're going to make. Please ensure that you have excess thread at both ends. As you can see now, I use my gather stitch, not the tight one, the loose one. So take one of the thread, just one of it, just drag it gently like you are forming gathers. Drag it gently. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent, I know you are enjoying it. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notification whenever I drop new videos. Always ask questions if you don't understand, and then like, please. So as you can see, I've gathered it, and I'll take my tape measurements and measure 16. As you can see, once I have 16, I'm okay. So I'll secure it at both ends with that same excess thread, and I'll cut out the excess. After I've secured it, I'll cut it out. So the next thing we're going to be doing here is to form our rows. Just watch what I will do. Even if I don't talk, you will not go understand them. Roll it in like 2 or 3 or 4 times or 5 times. Just roll it in, then get your needle and thread to secure it from under. Remember that this process I'm doing here is what we'll be repeating on the rest of the roses. Just secure it. You can roll it again like 5 times and secure till you get to the end. You can roll it again like 6 times till you get to the end and secure. And you can also use your candle glue. If you know how to use your candle glue, you can go ahead to get the rows done. Look at how I'll be gradually rolling it and securing it. Rolling and securing, rolling and securing. That is what I'm doing here till we get to the end of the whole pieces. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that have stayed glued to this channel. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate you. God will honor you in the name of Jesus. Don't forget to always like, comment and share. Please share so that it can always reach those that really also need to see this. I know you are doing this for me. I know you love me so much. I love you also. Thank you. So as you can see, I have done that. Is self-explanatory, and we'll be repeating the same thing for the rest. Look how beautiful these roses are. Just, it's so beautiful. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to get, I've already pinned my turban on my soft mannequin head. Now is the time to fix our loop on it. So we'll be doing it, it's just 2 loops. So we'll be doing it one after the other. So I'm going to be folding one of the loop into half to get the midpoint, to get the center like this. I'll fold it into 2 to get the center. Already I have my hot candle gun. It's already plugged and it's hot. So once I get the center, I will apply my candle glue at that point, because I like to start my work from the center so that everything will be aligned. So I'll place it, ensuring that it falls in the middle. So once I get the middle done like this, then I can now work on both sides. As you can see, I've secured it there in the middle. So I'll apply my candle gum to the end and just glue it. Do the same for the other side, and we are going to repeat this for the other loop. Yes, it's going to be double like this. We'll repeat the same thing. Most of you that are familiar with my video, I've done something similar before, so you can check out my video if you don't really understand. I'll drop the link in the description box on how to perfectly finish it and fix your handle. As you can see, I've finished it. I've also attached my handle, and I have transferred it to this beautiful mannequin. So this excess at the back is the droppy excess. By the time we wear it, you're rocking it with your what's it called, a turban lift, it will come out beautiful. So because of frailing, this material I use is Duchess. So I'm just trying to use my lighter to just burn the frailing part behind the roses. So that is what I did there. So now with the help of our candle glue, you can position the, it's not compulsory you do my pattern. You can position the roses anywhere you think it will come out better. But me, this is the way I'm just fixing my own. I want it to be on one side, so I start from the center, kind of. It's not exactly at the center, I just start from that point. So I'll fix the first one, I'll glue the first one rather, then I'll glue the second one. Just be patient, please allow the glue to stick very well before you remove your hand. If you feel just 2 roses is okay, fine. If you feel 3 is okay, according to your preference or your customer's preference. So that is how I'll be attaching my 5 roses. You know, I told you I cut 6, but I ended up using 5. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The color is so fine. I love it. It's so simple, you know. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Check it out. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love it. And this is me saying I love you. Thank you for staying till the end of this channel. See you next time. Bye. And I love you so much.